Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. You might have seen a large queue in front of airport lounges. So people might be checking different types of cards to see if that is working or not. So they will try out multiple cards, and some of the cards might have been used once, or some cards may not be eligible. So you can avoid all these hassle and the queue in front of the airport lounges across the India using this platform. It's called DreamFox Web. You can go to this DreamFox website and you can add your card. You can put your card number, expiration date, CVV, name on card, and you can authorize it. It will charge 2 rupees just to authenticate it. Then that card is added in place. Now if you go to the DreamFox app, now you can see I have added one of my card here. It's an IDFC debit card. It has two airport lounge access in one quarter. So I have used one of the eligible access. So now it's showing me how much is left. One of two access is left. So that way I know that how much entry is left in my that card. So I can add multiple cards and I can use as per as I wish. So now if I want to browse various lounges, I can just browse for various lounges. So I'm looking at some of the airports here. Now if I look at Mumbai airport, let's say Mumbai airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. So now you can see Oasis launch, there is loyalty launch, there is travel club launch. So these are various launches that is available. This is the domestic launch. So I can see these are the amenities that is being provided there. Now if I want to access it, I can just click on access it and it will detect one of my access for that quarter, and I will be able to access this launch, and I can show my entry details at the counter, and they will allow you to access without standing in a large queue. So in this way you will be able to access the launches across India, and you can also check various cards for eligibility, and you can check how much access is left for you in that quarter, that is free access. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.